I knew I wanted to go to college. I had no clue what I wanted to do until about my senior year. I got a job doing maintenance at a local refrigerated warehouse. And I'd go over and work from 4 to 8 after school. And that's where I met the guys that were in the HVAC program there. My uncle had a construction company, and I'd worked with him a little bit on the side and told him about it. And he said, "Eric, you should really look into going to college for that. You love working with your hands." He goes, there's money in that field. He goes, and it's never going away. I started with Trane as a project manager. Basically, that's where I was in Kansas City. Then in 2010, I moved down here to Jacksonville and took a leadership role as the Equipment Solutions team leader. Today, even in the industry, is that it's not easy to find qualified people to fill in for our technicians, project managers, every role. It's not a dying field, but everyone that's got their licenses and is a good employee has work. My next step up within Trane, I went up to become the Equipment Solutions Manager. There was a role that opened up here in the office for a salesman, and I applied for it, and they gave me the promotion for that. My title now is Building Solutions, which I work direct with building owners, hospitals, office buildings, schools, manufacturing locations, to go in and look at their HVAC systems and make them more efficient and help them reduce their CO2 footprint, greenhouse gas footprint. I mean, that's the way the market's going, is energy efficiency. I work with everything from small office buildings up to 500,000 to 1 million square foot manufacturing facilities and hospitals. High school friends of mine, they were going there for heavy equipment, and they had mentioned to me that they knew I was interested in the HVAC program, so they mentioned it to me, and we went down and did a tour of the college. Being in high school, I remember, it was pretty amazing, because you're just like, wow, it's a beautiful campus. But I remember when I came for freshman orientation, going through the labs and seeing all the stuff and seeing what we were going to get to actually do hands-on once I got far enough into the program, and it was pretty amazing.